In this video, we will learn about expansion of double brackets. Whenever you're having a double brackets and you need to expand it, you need to split the first one. You can split the second one also, but splitting the first one is easy. Now, I'm going to solve the first question. We're having bracket x plus 3 and bracket x plus 7. So the very first thing is I will split my first bracket. I'm having x and plus 3. So what I will do, I will just write x and I need to multiply it separately with the second bracket. So I will multiply it separately with the second bracket. And then the second splitted part, which was plus 3. And then I will multiply it with x plus 7 separately. Now I will multiply it according to the previous rule. Plus x into plus x is x squared, then plus 7x plus 3x and plus 3 sevens are 21. So it would be x squared plus 10x plus 21. This will be our answer. Now for the second question, again, I'll go by the same method. X, then bracket x minus 2, and then minus 7. Because the second splitted part is negative 7. You have to pick with the sign and then x negative 2. Now x squared negative 2x. Now negative 7 into x is negative 7x. Negative into negative is positive and 7 twos are 40. So it would be x squared negative 9x and plus 40. This will be our answer. I come to the third one. So my first part is negative n. So I will write it as negative n. And then n negative 20. Then the second splitted part negative 10. And I will multiply it separately with n negative 20. Now negative into positive is negative. N squared. Negative into negative is plus 20n. Negative into positive is negative 10n. And negative into negative is plus 10 into 20 is 200. Now it would be negative n squared plus 10n and plus 100. This will be our answer. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answers, press play. These are the answers. Okay. Now we are having a different type of questions. He said expand and simplify, and we are having bracket y plus 5 and whole square. Just remember, if we are having x squared, I can write it as x times x. Same case, I will go with this question. Bracket y plus 5 whole squared, it would be y plus 5 into y plus 5. Now I can expand it easily. So I'll split the first one, y into y plus 5 into y plus 5. It would be y squared plus 5y plus 5y plus 25. It would be y squared plus 10y plus 25. This will be our answer. For the second one, I'll go with the same method. It would be z negative 1 times z negative 1. So z into z negative 1, negative 1 into z negative 1. Z squared negative z plus. So it would be z squared negative 2z plus. So this will be our answer. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answers, press play. These are the answers.